Hey folks, see Rachana Ranade here. Oh wow, I like this. Maybe I chose 1080 as the output, but the color looks a bit different. Nice video quality. Or I'm not sure whether you are able to see it something differently or not, but I can see the difference right now. Anyways, so hello everyone, and today's live stream is honestly a belated birthday live stream. Yesterday I had in my mind that I should be doing a live stream, and I was with my family. We all were celebrating, and it was almost 10 when I reached home, so I thought maybe tomorrow. So that is the reason why I thought of doing the live stream today. If you see the settings, today's live stream is not only for members. I mean, of course, anyone can watch it, but anyone can comment on the stream today as well if you are a subscriber to the channel. So this is a birthday special stream, and there's no special agenda, honestly. It's an AMA live stream. That's Ask Me Anything live stream. Any questions that you have, we typically do AMAs on Insta, but today I thought I should do an AMA on YouTube, and that's the reason why I'm here live. Whatever questions you have, happy to answer. I'm getting a lot of happy birthday messages in the chat section as well. Prashant, Curious Kisha, then P.C62. Okay. Jivan, Rafiq, Nilesh, Ram, Kaustub, Prasanna, Swayam, Tejas, Raj. Okay. So many people wishing me happy birthday. Thank you so much. And honestly, I tried my level best to just give a thumbs up. Thank you to a lot of people, but then at one point, the birthday wishes started to pour in, and it became very difficult for me to thank every single person. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Means a lot. So many people wishing me on my birthday, and it was a special birthday. It was a 40th birthday, entering 40s. Let's see how this decade unfolds. Many people ask me anything that you have in your mind. I say I'm a teacher, and I would love to be a better teacher every single day, every single month, every single year, and that's what I strive for. Whatever I learn, I try my level best to spread that knowledge to everyone. I can see so many people wishing happy birthday in the chat section, and thank you everyone for your lovely wishes. Saurabh म्हणते happy birthday छान दिसतंय madam, birthday glow. अरे क्या बात है. किंवा ते the second possibility is the video setting that has happened right now. That could be one more possible reason. Okay. Oh, क्या बात है. लेले काय छान बोललेला आहात. Lele is saying, happy birthday. May this birthday be the start of your greatest year yet. Oh, too much. Thank you for that. All right. Yes, loads of happy birthdays in the comments. Manish says life begins at 40. Oh. Let's see how the decade unfolds. Any happy 36th birthday का म्हणजे मला नाही कळलं. But thank you. Okay. Okay, going back, many people, I did a Marathi live stream right now, by the way. So I just thought I should share one or two good questions that were asked during the live stream in Marathi. Someone asked me that, is your investment strategy going to change post 40? Very good question. When I started investing back when I was 20, when I started investing. And that is when I had decided that I will try and select good stocks which can give me good returns over the longer term. Of course, starting, everyone makes those mistakes, same mistakes even I've done intraday and some tips trading, because no one was there to guide me. So all those mistakes, after doing all those mistakes, when I understood this is not what is to be done, that is the time when I started to learn more about stocks, started to do balance sheet analysis, P&L analysis, try to drill down which are fundamentally strong stocks, and then I started investing. That is where I understood that the real money can be actually done in the longer term, and that is what was the philosophy, or that was the shape I decided to be in for the investing, from the investing perspective. So I just thought that I will continue with that. And at 40 now, question is that should I still go for long-term investing? The answer is obviously yes. When I started, when I was watching one of the videos of Warren Buffett, he said that I am still looking for some nice long-term stocks, and he said that at the age of 92. So at the age of 92, if we can think about long-term investing, at the age of 40, of course, I have to be a long-term investor. So no change in the core philosophy per se, But yes, if I'm talking about different investment avenues, definitely I'm going to look at one specific investment avenue. Of course, I've been investing in that, which is REITs and InvITs. I started investing in through one or two IPOs of REITs, but it's a worth investment avenue to understand. After you understand, and if you feel that wow, this is good, you can consider investing. Of course, after you understand what it is, if you like it, if you feel it is good, you can consider investing. If you feel didn't like it, don't invest, right? But definitely you should learn about it, and that is the reason why, in fact, I'm taking a webinar on, I think, 12th of July. That is when you can um, also attend the webinar on 12th of July. Yes. So that was one interesting question that was asked. Someone asked me about gold and silver. So again, I feel that gold and silver is at a very, very interesting level right now. I'll quickly share the chart and tell you. Now, if you watch how silver has performed, let's do a very simple analysis. See, price action wise, this is the level, no second thoughts. But if you see here, this was the red line is a 200 DEMA line. Let me just even cut out the 50 DEMA, which is not relevant right now. So only look at the red line, the 200. I'll also cut this support line. 200 DEMA is this line. It went below 200 DEMA when day before yesterday. Yesterday, it immediately tried to bounce back. Unfortunately, it didn't close above 200 DEMA. Today, same thing. It tried to touch the 200 DEMA, went a bit above that, but closed below 200 DEMA. Has Nifty taken, has silver taken good support at 200 DEMA. Now, if you see here intraday, it tried to touch here, again went up. Let's go back. If you can see here again, 200 DEMA broken. When did this happen? This happened back in on 4th April 25. 1, 2, 3 days below 200 DEMA, immediately up. Here you can see touch 200 DEMA up, touch 200 DEMA up. Again, here you can see 4 or 5 days. Same. This is 24. Again, for a very brief period, and see, it is so close to being at or near the 200 DEMA. Now, if you just want to calculate, barely 3% below the 200 DEMA. Same is the case here, right? Now, if you go back in the time, this is what, 22, when we have seen silver go below 200 DEMA and staying there for quite some time. So I feel that overall it has been honoring 200 DEMA for quite a long time, and that is the reason why I feel that this is a good level for silver. What about gold? Let us quickly check for gold also. Again, I'll go ahead with gold futures. I know that ideally we should be checking gold USD per ounce, but the levels seem to be familiar when we talk about gold futures or silver futures. So they're trading currently at around 144, 1,44,000. Again, here, yes, day before yesterday, it almost touched 200 DEMA. Yesterday opened around 200 DEMA, closed well above that. Today, again, above that. Here, same old story. 23rd March, touched 200 DEMA and up. Let's go back in the time. Exact same story. When did this happen? 25th July 24, touched 200 DEMA and up. Here again for a very brief period, I think 4, 5, 6 days. That's it, and up. Same is the case here. So same is the case here. Now this is back in 21, I guess that it has. This is the time when Russia-Ukraine war started. So all in all, what can be very clearly seen is that it has been seen that 200 DEMA is a support level which has been honored quite so many number of times, and that is the reason why you can. I mean, if you don't have a 10% portfolio weightage, you can consider investing in gold or silver. Again, choice is yours, but it is a standard thumb rule, is what I can say, that out of your total portfolio weightage, 10%, roughly 10% should be allocated to gold and silver, because of the beta. Because simple words, because of the correlation that you can have, a nice correlation you can have in your portfolio. Okay, so a good one to have, around 10% of your total portfolio. Okay. What is this, ma'am? I can't find yearly subscription discount in your website. Why? I will show you 1 minute. See, it's very simple. Now, what we have done is, even if you type rachanaranade.com, we are now trying to consolidate all at one place. So even if you type rachanaranade.com, you'll be redirected to our fresh new website, which is rachanaranade.in. We have tried to give it a nice look. So if you are new here, how do you choose which course should you enroll for? Then if you say I'm a beginner, then it will take you to the beginner courses. Then if you say I know the basics, you come to the card here, then it will take you to intermediate path. If you say I want to learn advanced strategies, it will take you to that path. So some nice graphics here and there. uh, uh, I was featured in so many. Okay, anyways, you know, if you've read, I was featured by all these media houses, some nice awards and recognitions section as well. And ultimately, the point that I was mentioning, you can explore the courses here, but there is also directly a courses tab right in front of you. And here you can see the big banner which says that yes, the birthday celebration begins. One day to go. Tomorrow is the last day for the birthday offers. This is the first time that I'm giving so many offers. If you go ahead for single course enrollment, it's a 15% discount. Multiple courses, it's a 25% discount. The biggest discount that I've given till date was 20%, if I'm not mistaken, but 25%, that's for the very first time. You'll get this for a minimum cart value of 15,000. Which coupon code you have to use? Birthday is the code that you have to use. Now, the best part here for multiple courses is that for single courses, validity is 12 months. But if you go ahead for multiple courses, so even let's say a fundamental analysis and technical analysis, okay, 2 courses, you will get the extended validity of 12 months. So your total course validity will be 24 months. Now, it's not only the point that you can access the course for 24 months, but you will get access to Zoom meetings for 24 straight months, where you can get an opportunity to talk directly to me. You can ask your queries to me through an audio-visual format, basically through Zoom meetings. So that's a very big bonus. One more nice bonus is you will get the recording of the REITs InVITs webinar, absolutely free of cost. It's otherwise priced at 2,500. So you will be able to get the recording of REITs and InVITs webinar, which is a part of the multiple course offer, not for a single course. And a very nice AI insurance related prompt, because I got to know that so many people have life insurance, have health insurance, have motor insurance. But if someone asks them, tell me 5 points about your policy, whether it's there in your policy or not, very few people actually read those policies. And that's the reason why I thought that why not have a prompt? Why not give it in a tabular format, that if you put the policy document, if you just copy paste that prompt, it will give you in a nice tabular format what is there, what is not there in your policy. Okay, so a very handy tool for insurance. That's what you can have. For those who are not sure which courses to enroll for, so in the courses section itself, I'm just scrolling down. You can choose the language of your comfort, English, Marathi, or other. In that, I just have primarily Hindi as Hindi basics of stock market. Also Tamil, Telugu, and Kannada mastering money management, but that's dubbed. Hindi is not dubbed. Hindi is normal me speaking. But otherwise, English has the maximum variety of courses. You can choose the level which you want. Beginner level courses where we have mastering money management, magic of mutual funds, basics of stock market. This is a small course for teenagers, finance for teens. Then if you feel I know the basics, intermediate courses, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, pro investor membership, that's what you can get. And advanced courses, decoding price action, art of value investing, futures and options. Many people ask me that if I want to get 100% understanding about stocks from scratch to pro level, then 4 courses: basics of stock market, then fundamental analysis, then technical analysis, and then price action analysis. These 4 can take you from a beginner level to a pro level. Even art of value investing is a very good course if you want to learn how PE, PB, price to, EV, EBITDA, all these models, how do they work? All those are explained in the art of value investing course. So you can go ahead with in individual courses or combination courses. You can choose whichever you feel is the best one. But whatever you choose, don't forget to use the coupon codes for single course gift and for multiple courses birthday. Okay, so that is it about the courses. Anyone who wants to enroll can definitely check it out. You can also get the link of the websites in the and the coupon code also in the pinned comment and in the description box. Okay. Anand is asking your views on Nifty. On Nifty IT. No. I am not so much positive about Nifty IT. I've read the Concorde transcripts of Infosys, TCS. See, read is not word to word. I love to put it in AI tools, and I read or I listen to the summaries. So be it Infosys, TCS, Persistent, Coforge, none of them are like extremely bullish in their commentary. But yes, the mid caps, be it Persistent or Coforge, they look better as compared to the bigger IT players, right? Ma'am, do you think it's going to be a bullish case after 2026 ends? I feel we should start. I mean, I feel the worst is behind us. There are multiple reasons why I feel that the worst is behind us. Number one, crude has come down to pre-war levels, and that's like the best part for our economy. If I talk about rupee stabilizing and how it is strengthening day by day, so a good point again. Third, if you look at the India US trade deal, which actually had the first dent, that is also on the path of recovery. Our ministers are trying to close this as soon as possible. And very, very important, FIS selling, one more pain point. FIS have already slowed down their selling. And few 3-4 days, I think, we saw FIS even buying the index and stocks. So it's a good one. I feel that unless and until, of course, I mean, you never know that if unfortunately the war starts again at a bigger level, then of course markets can slide down. But otherwise, I feel that the worst is behind us, right? Someone was asking me about a multi-bagger stock. Okay. I mean, no multi-bagger stock, but I feel that two themes is what I love. I've been talking about this theme for I think last 1.5 year, and that theme is capital market theme. Um, Capital market theme is a space which is still pretty much underpenetrated. The overall number of people investing in India is very less if you compare that with something like USA, where the percentage of people who are investing in markets is way higher than what we are, and our country has that potential of more and more investors. So it will be really interesting to see how many I mean, how much more potential is left. It is interesting, but I believe that this space is something which has a lot more potential, be it brokers or wealth managers or exchange RTAs, whatever. So I'm pretty much bullish about this theme, and I've been talking about the same theme since last more than a year. Second theme that I have been reading quite a lot about and hearing quite a lot about from the experts as well is power sector. I mean, I've not talked about that a lot. But understand, power is not only about power generation. It is power generation, it is power transmission, it is power distribution. It could be about companies who are financing these power related companies. Once power is generated, it has to be transported. So it could be power transmitters, it could be so power transformers basically, it could be wires, it could be cables. So it's a bigger theme. It could be renewables, it could be non-renewables, so something like thermal related stocks. It could be renewables related stocks, right? So the theme is a wider theme. Try and do fundamental analysis of more and more companies in the power space. And reason is very simple: the overall per capita consumption of power is increasing, more and more industrialization, more and more urbanization, the AI theme in itself, which consumes so much power. All these things are going to be so much positive for this overall space, and I'm uh, absolutely bullish on this theme as well, right? Santosh is asking, pro investor membership advantage, is it for lifetime? No, not for lifetime, for 1 year. The advantage is that whatever videos I've prepared till date. So for example, if you are, typically what happens is, when it's a membership, ideally you get an access to the benefits from that day till your membership ends. But whatever videos I've done till date, all those videos also you'll be able to access. And English YouTube membership I started back in 2020. So whatever videos I've done since 2020, all access you'll get, plus newer videos that will get uploaded. So that's the biggest advantage of pro investor membership. uh it's so many happy birthdays in the chat section. Oh, Rahul says, as per my analysis, July month is quite bullish. So I think on every big correction, we can go long in Nifty in monthly, not only weekly. What is your? I did tell about the view on Nifty. Even I'm bullish. Validity for existing courses will not be extended. For the new courses, it will be an extended validity. Oh, kya baat hai. Suhas is saying, Hi ma'am, I've subscribed today to the courses, looking forward to start my study again. Very nice, I'm so happy. It said right that invest in knowledge, it'll give you better returns. And Suhas, I'm giving you a homework because you have already subscribed. My next Zoom meeting will, 12th is, 11th, I think 11th, no, third, right? So third Saturday is the day when I have Zoom meeting. So 18th will be 18th of July is when I'll have my first Zoom meeting starting today. So till then, do try and complete one course, at least try, so that you can ask questions to me directly. Okay, that's your homework from my side. Oh, day by day looking at. Thank you so much. Ma'am, you are my best teacher. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you so much. I'm getting long messages also. May God, in His infinite grace, complete every single one of your wishes and fill your coming year with endless. Thank you so much for the lovely wishes. Yes, thank you. I mean, it's so overwhelming that so many people are actually giving such beautiful wishes. Um, Santosh is asking, can we get access on both laptop and mobile? Yes, and that's the reason why we shifted to a new website. My earlier technology stack did not allow to have this at the same time. It was a bit tricky. Basically, we tried to manage that, but it was tricky. But in the new on the new website, if you're enrolling, both mobile, laptop, that can be seamlessly exchanged. That should not be a problem. Suresh Jagtap is saying, hi ma'am, purchased online courses. Kya baat hai? Suresh, all the very best for your investing journey. Ensure that you have a specific time allocated, because what happens in Marathi, we call, you seem to be a Marathi person, Suresh. In Marathi, we say Arambhashur. There are some people who will say, now I've enrolled for 9 courses. Now just have a look at this. And maybe first day, second day, third day, and then excuses. That should not happen. So Suresh, try and have a schedule. Maybe whatever, if you're an early person, maybe first thing you do in the morning, get up, freshen up, and half an hour every day. That's when you look, that's when you learn. Or if you are a late person, then maybe before you go to sleep, half an hour every day, and you should be able to complete all the courses. I feel that very few months are left up and until we will be in a sideways zone. Post September 26, ideally, we should be seeing much more action in the market, is what I believe. Again, I'm saying some months also, September 26. I feel that the action can increase post that. So this is the best time to learn and get equipped so that you know which stocks you want to buy, and that too with full confidence. Right. Rachana ma'am, huge fan, probably the most logical and faithful woman. Thank you so much. Fit survivor. That's my goal. Trying really hard for that. Today, what knowledge I have, it's because of you. I really want to meet you in person on Guru Purnima day. When is Guru Purnima? It should be somewhere near, right? I'm can't see it right away, but let's see if destined we can meet. I am doing a video on Vedanta in the coming week. The only thing is that I'm traveling out of country, and that is the reason why you may not get the normal fancy animations and all that. But yes, I'm doing it next week. Yes, me Marathi. I will follow your instructions right now in USA. Perfect. Dollar पाठवा इकडे जरा, भारताला गरज आहे. All right. I think this is it. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for watching the live stream, and thank you everyone for the wonderful wishes. Again, keep learning, keep growing your knowledge. That's where you can channelize all your energy into the stock market, and you can definitely try and uh, you know try and work hard so that you can earn more and more money in the stock market as well, right? Okay, still getting some quick questions. Member since last 5 years. Kya baat hai, Kunal? He says happy birthday. Thank you so much. थैंक यू राम. आपको लाइव देखकर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मैम. मैं आपकी टेक्निकल एनालिसिस कोर्स देख रहा हूँ, और आपको जन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, चरणों में प्रणाम. थैंक यू सो मच. मेरा भी प्रणाम. ओके. Trying my best to bring dollars back. All right. Okay, one last question. If I know my goal is 5 years ahead and I have approximately one, how would you suggest to diversify invest at least one stock? I don't suggest stocks, but I've suggested two themes: capital market and power theme is what I believe are good. If you are talking about mutual funds, 5 years Nifty can be a good one, or something like a multi-cap fund could also be a good one. And of course, do the analysis properly before you invest, right? Thank you. I think this is it, almost half an hour. And thank you so much for the lovely wishes. Keep watching the live streams, keep watching the videos. Check out the pinned comment description box, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind. And 1 minute. If Pro opted in multiple course package, Pro Investor la पण 2-year validity nahi hai na bolte. No. For Pro Investor, it's a 1-year validity because it's not a course. It's not a course. It's a membership. Okay. Please answer my question, ma'am. A flexi cap fund and Nifty 50 index fund is overlapping heavily. Ideally, then I mean, had I invested in something which is like extremely overlapping, I would not continue with one of them. But anyways, I mean, if both are giving decent enough returns, don't be in a hurry to unnecessarily sell off. Okay. Sai bhai काय म्हणतायत? Sai bhai is saying, thank you so much. Just enrolled. क्या बात है. All the best. All the best for your investing and learning journey. Ma'am, I have started right now your classes, and I wish I will get improvement day by day, and wishing you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Keep learning. As I mentioned, pin comment description box. That's where you'll find the website. So just 1 day to go for these amazing offers. Next, such big offers after 10 years. Okay, so don't forget to enroll. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye.